What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. I want to start off by saying happy Mother's Day to all my beautiful moms out there. I hope you guys have a great, amazing day. We are starting off the day here with some couponing. Now, I just ran out of the house because I'm gonna go to Rite Aid. It's gonna be a super quick, easy deal, a super great breakdown, and hopefully a great money maker. So we're gonna head to Rite Aid, but let me start off by saying we are gonna be using this in-ad coupon. It is a $15 bonus cash. You'll get $50 back in bonus cash when you spend $50. We have used this one before, so we're going to be using this one here. All you have to do is head over to the Rite Aid ad. Did I say CVS at any point? It's still really early, guys. But Rite Aid, we're going to Rite Aid, we're doing Rite Aid. So on the Rite Aid app, just go ahead and screenshot this, in-ad coupon, and then all you need to do is have the cashier scan the barcode so you can earn the $15 in bonus cash for the breakdown that I'm going to be sharing. So let's go into the store so we can get in on these deals. All right, guys, so starting off, we are going to grab some Aveeno lotion. These are priced $11.99, and they are buy one, get one 50% off. And when you spend $25, you get $10 back in bonus cash. Now, originally I was gonna try to grab the ones that are priced $9.99, but this store still hasn't restocked from the last time the Aveeno went on sale. So I'm gonna have to grab the little bigger ounces, because the $9.99 ones are 12 ounce and these are an 18 ounce. So I'm gonna have to grab the bigger ones, and it's gonna change my breakdown. It's no longer gonna be a moneymaker, so I'm pretty bummed about that, but let's go ahead and grab 4 of these. Now, our next and last items that we're gonna be grabbing are gonna be 5 Tide products. You can either get the Tide Liquid or the Tide Pods. These are priced $4.94, and when you spend $20, you get $5 back in extra bucks. So I'm gonna be grabbing 5 of these. Now, jumping onto the breakdown, we are going to be using 5 of these $2 off of 1 Tide coupons, and we are going to be using 4 $3 off of 1 for the Aveeno printable coupons. Now, yes, you can use multiple coupons here at Rite Aid. Their limit is 7. That's what I've always been told by the cashiers, by the manager. Their limit is 7, so they accept 7 of the same coupons. So I could use 7 of these and 7 of these, but I'm going to use 5 of the Tide and 4 of the Aveeno printable ones. Now, for the printable coupons, if you guys want to order some, you guys can order some from a printable coupon fairy. I get mine from IPs here. It's IPs_ here on Instagram. So if you guys want to check that out, you guys can check that out so you guys can, order some of these Aveeno printable coupons. Now, jumping onto the breakdown, it is going to be $11.99 for the Aveeno times 1.5, because they're buy one, get one 50% off. So that is going to be our price for 2 of them. They are the bigger bottles, and then we are getting 4, so it's going to be times 2, and that's going to bring us to $35.94. Now, remember this number, guys, because I'm going to do a little deal afterwards, and I'm going to kind of explain it to you guys. And so now we're going to add the Tide. It is going to be $4.94 times 5, because we're grabbing 5. So that's going to bring us to $60.67. We are well over the $50 mark. Now we are going to subtract 2 times 5 for the Tide. We are going to subtract 3 times 4 for the Aveeno. That's going to bring us down to $38.67. We are then going to get $15 back in bonus cash for using that in-ad coupon. We are going to get $10 back for the Aveeno, and then we are going to get $5 back for the Tide, making it only $8.67 for our 9 items. We're getting 5 Tide and 4 Aveeno, so that is going to be 96 cents each. So not bad at all, but this deal does get better because, like I said, remember the Aveeno, I'm gonna come back tomorrow and I'm gonna do the deal, but it's gonna be a little modified. And then there's a really good deal on the Tres Emme I want to show you guys. So here we have the Tres Emme. These are on sale 2 for $10. I believe it's like these bottles here and these here, so they're on sale 2 for $10. And in the Rite Aid ad, there is a coupon that takes $2 off when you buy 2, and these are also buy 2 and get $5 back in bonus cash. That's a really good offer, because we do have this paper coupon that takes $4 off of 2. So using this paper coupon and the in-ad coupon, it's going to bring you down to $4 for 2, and then you're going to get $5 back in bonus cash, making it a $1 moneymaker. And it's a limit of 2, so you can get up to 4 of these and you'll get $10 back in bonus cash. You can use 2 coupons, and then you can use 2 of the in-ad coupons, and it's going to make it a $2 moneymaker for 4 of them. So that's a really good deal. I'm not going to do it today today, but I am gonna come back tomorrow and I'm gonna do it tomorrow, and you know, try to do that, try to just do a whole nother different deal. So I'll explain that to you guys later. I'm gonna go ahead and check out now and see how everything goes for this transaction that I'm trying to do. All right guys, I am now in the car and everything went so great. Everything went perfect. I got all my bonus cash back. I was getting $15 for the in ad, I was getting $10 for the vino, and $5 for the Tide. So that was $30 in bonus cash that I was getting back, and I got it. All my coupons went through. Everything went so great, so perfect. So I'm just gonna show you guys the receipt very quickly. Just gonna go ahead and hide all my personal info. So I'm just gonna show it to you guys this way because it wasn't focusing, but here you guys can see all of my items. All the coupons went through for the items. Everything worked out perfectly. My subtotal was $38.66 like we had said. I used $35 in bonus cash, so I only ended up paying around $3 plus tax for this, which was $5. So I ended up paying like around $9 because this bonus cash got applied. Once the bonus cash got applied, it brought, you know, this subtotal down, this total down, you know, to like $9. So that's what I paid out of pocket, and I got $30 back in bonus cash. So these are all my items. And then I got a coupon here at the end. I got a save 15 off your next $75 purchase. Maybe we can use that next week. And then I also got one here, save $5 off 25. So this one is actually much better. I wish I could have got 2 of these instead of this one, because this one might be hard to use. But the $25 one, $5 off 25, will definitely be easy to use. Now, like I said, everything went perfect. No explanations on that deal. Everything went through. If you guys are gonna do that one, awesome. Now I wanted to show you guys this part here. Remember I had mentioned, you know, remember the vino? We spent well over 25 for the vino. So I actually have $10.96 spent more because this is a limit of 2. The Tide and the vino are a limit of 2. So I can go ahead tomorrow because I don't have any bonus cash now. The way Rite Aid works is that if you get the bonus cash, it'll apply tomorrow, the next day at 6 in the morning. So I can come back tomorrow and do this exact same deal just because I want to roll my bonus cash because it's a limit of 2. So if I do the vino, I already have $10.96 on that deal. So all I'm gonna need to spend is about, I'm gonna need to spend about $15 just to get the next $10 in bonus cash. And then for the Tide, I already spent $4.70. So I'm only gonna need to buy 4 this time. I'm not gonna need to buy 5 like I did in this original breakdown. So I'm just gonna show you guys my next breakdown. When I come back tomorrow, what I'm gonna do is grab 2 of the vino lotions, the $11.99 ones, and I'm gonna grab 2 of them, so times 1.5, bringing me to $17.98. And then I am going to grab 4 of the Tide, and that's going to be $37.74. And then I'm going to grab the Tres Emma that I shared. That's why I didn't grab it today, because I'm going to grab it tomorrow. That way I get to the $50 mark. So I'm going to grab 4 of those, so it's going to be $20. And my subtotal for all those items is going to be $57.74. I am going to subtract the Vino coupons, which is going to be $6 because I'm going to use 2 of the $3 off 1 printables. I am going to subtract $8 for the Tide because I'm going to use 4 of the $2 off 1 for the Tide. I'm going to subtract $8 for the Tres Emma because I'm going to use 2 of the $4 off Tres Emma off 2. So then that's going to bring us down to $35.74. We are then going to subtract the in-ad coupons for the Tres Emma, which we're going to use 2, so it's going to be -4. And then we are going to get our bonus cash back. We're going to get $15 in bonus cash for the in-ad. We are going to get $5 for the Tide, $10 for the Aveeno, and then $10 for the Tres Emma. That is going to make it an $8.25 moneymaker for all the items that I grab tomorrow. And that's basically going to pay for this transaction here. So it is going to make all the items that I grabbed today and tomorrow completely free. So hopefully I didn't confuse you guys, but that's kind of where my mind was at when I went into store and they didn't have the Aveeno that I wanted. I was like, well, you know what? I can just grab these bigger bottles. It is going to track for the next, you know, bonus cash offer. I was like, so when I come back the next day to do the deal, I'm gonna, you know, already have some money spent on that Aveeno, and I'm only gonna have to not buy 4 of them. I'll only have to buy 2. So that's where my mind was at, and I kind of wanted to share that with you guys because these are a limit of 2. You know, the Aveeno was a limit of 2. 2, the Tresemme is a limit of 2, and the Tide is a limit of 2. That's like why I like Rite Aid too, because they're normally a limit of 2, and CVS is always like a limit of 1, so that's a little harder. So that's where my mind was at, and I am gonna put that in the Google Doc. I'll go ahead and, you know, I'll put day 1, this is the transaction I did, and then my day 2 plan, and I'll put the transaction that I'm gonna do then. So it all works out. It's a really great deal this week, and there's like so many other deals, guys. I've already mentioned to you guys, if you guys are not following Sacktown Couponer, you are missing out. She posts a ton of scenarios. They're super easy to follow, and that's gonna be all for this video. We are gonna be doing CVS tomorrow. Today we're gonna just spend it with the kids, so taking the day off, except for this Rite Aid deal, but it was super quick. So we'll see you guys tomorrow with the CVS deals. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Once again, happy Mother's Day, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.